Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be doing a quick review and install of this new decked toolbox that I'm going to put on the back of my truck. I'm going to show you some of the features, how to install it. Okay guys, got it unboxed. This is a toolbox that comes inside of the main toolbox here, and I'll show you that in a second. Comes with the parts and the mounting hardware. This particular piece of hardware here, this is for your toolbox so that it's the gasket, so that it's waterproof. And then you have two hinges that you hinge the back of the lid on. I'm not sure why this didn't already come put together like that, but it doesn't. So kind of gotta get it started here. Okay, so like I was saying, these are your hinge pins, and it's probably best to start these just by hand. The instructions say you can tap them in with a hammer, but you've kind of got to line this up. So I got them started by hand, and then I'm going to just tap them in the rest of the way with this light duty hammer. And then same thing on this side. As you can see, I'm left-handed, I'm not right-handed, so I don't hammer too well with that side. And then once you get that on, okay, so once you get the hinges on, you're going to want to open up the toolbox. Just something that you see that comes with it. These dividers, they come out and they just slide right in, so you can divide your tools up right there. It also comes with an extra handle in case the one that's on it, I guess, ever breaks. Now, one of the things that also comes with the toolbox here, and I'm going to show you, is it's got a little gasket seal, and the gasket seal goes right here, right inside the edge. It's got a little all the way around, and this is just to kind of waterproof it, so when it's raining, I guess if you have it out, you get a better seal. You keep some moisture out of your tools and stuff. Come all the way around with it. And you may even, it does tell you in the instructions that you have to cut that a little bit. So, let me get it out. And it says you want to leave about an inch opening so that it expands. There you go. That way you don't get a vapor lock. It says if you don't cut that little piece and leave that gap, that you'll get a vapor lock on the box when you have it closed. So we have that done. Closes like this. We got a good, nice clip. Guys, this toolbox alone, if you could buy one like this, probably cost you $100. I want to show you how it fits inside the actual toolbox. Now you do have a button on each end. You don't have to push either this end or the other. And then this box, if you'll come up here and see, you have little sets there, and that sets right there on top of it so it doesn't slide. But you also have another little area that you can put some tools in there. And then this is all open for storage. So that's what that looks like. What I'm going to do next is I'm going to get the toolbox up on the truck, and we're going to actually get the hardware out here and mount it to the truck. It's really easy. It comes with, I'm going to go ahead and break one of these out so you can see them. Comes with its own hardware. Catches the lip of the top of your bed there, comes through. And there's slots in each end of the toolbox so that you can secure it to your bed, and that way nobody's walking off with your stuff. Okay, so one of the pieces that come with the mounting hardware is this little rubber gasket. It fits right up here underneath the edge, and you can see, it's really easy. You just set it right there, and your toolbox is going to sit right on top of it. Okay guys, I wanted to show you, this is the mounting hardware that holds the toolbox onto the truck so that it doesn't get walked off with. And it's just a little U bracket, and I'm just going to show you here how it clips under the edge of the bed lip there. And if you come over here, you can see the top of the toolbox has several slots in it, and all you do is you need a 1/4 inch 3/8 inch socket. Comes with a little, there's a washer down here, just hold it underneath and start it, and that's what is going to secure the toolbox to the bed of your truck. Guys, so this one thing that I would tell you that doesn't come with the toolbox that you might need, a helper. Someone that's got little arms like this, because when you put those hooks on that hold the toolbox down, you got to have somebody that can reach all the way back up here, and my arm won't fit, and most men's arms won't fit. So this is where your kids can come into play and really help you out. Caitlin here has held the bracket in place while I tighten things down. So make sure you have a helper when you do that step. Okay, just so you know, it comes with some stickers that you can put on your toolbox if you want. This toolbox is made in the USA. Comes with a lifetime warranty. There's a piece in here that lets you know you need to register so that your lifetime warranty is valid. So make sure you don't forget to do that if you decide to purchase this toolbox. Okay guys, I hope this was helpful. If it was, make sure you hit the like button. It really helps me with YouTube so that YouTube knows to share the video so other people see it too. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on any of my other videos. And until next time, stay safe.